Oh wow, the quality is amazing. So I got these beads. Oh no, ये क्या मंगा दिया मैंने? So assalamu alaikum friends and welcome back to my new video. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are unboxing craft materials from Meesho. So if you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So whenever I upload new video, you'll get the notification. And also please watch the full video. Don't skip the video. So the first thing I got is alligator clips. So the price of this is 86, but I used some coins. I got this at rupees 83. This is the pack of 50 and the quality looks amazing. Now it's time for the second parcel. Let's unbox it. So now we have UV resin. So it's so tiny. I'll review this whenever I am going to use it in my future videos. So here we have third parcel. So I ordered some keychains. So I got this 30 pieces at rupees only 146, and the quality is really very amazing. I hope the color don't fade off. And I thought it's having some free gift, but I'm wrong. In this we have jump rings. So you all know what's inside because it's see-through packet. So here we have jewelry wire. So it's 10 meter long and 1 mm thick, and again quality look good. Now it's our fourth parcel. So we have clay tools and modeling balls. So this is all for my clay crafts. So I got this at rupees 195 both. So these modeling balls are very heavy in weight, and the quality is really amazing. So it's time for my fifth parcel. So I thought, is there something in this paper? But it's nothing. Now we have fairy lights, and the quality is very amazing. I literally love it, and I just love this product. Just look at this, how beautiful it's working. Now we have the next parcel. So I got this pearl beads, and it's 12 mm, and the quality is good and quantity is also good. Now it's time for this.
What?
I know you all are confused why I ordered this. So I ordered this for texture art, and inshallah we are gonna make textured art on canvas. So don't think wrong, I got this tissue paper roll for my craft videos and we are gonna make a lot of craft with this inshallah. So stay tuned. So the quality of this tissue paper is really very amazing. I love it. So all the links are given in my description box. Do check it out and I hope you all are like my video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification and also share with your friends and family and also you can share with your craft lover friend. Comment which product do you like the most. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.